Hello, my friends, and welcome to coding exercise number 4. We are asked to write a program to count the letters, spaces, numbers, and other characters of an input string. So the user enters a string. We are going to create a program that examines this string and count the spaces, letters, numbers, and other characters, like exclamation mark, question mark, and so on. So pause the video, think about it, how to solve such a program and such a problem, and I want from you to paste in the comments below your solutions in order to help you if you have any mistake, or I can advise you to for better implementation and better solving of the exercises. So back to our IDE. I hope you understand what we need from this program and you solve it well. Waiting your solutions in the comment below. We start by creating a var scanner s1 equal to scanner object to get the data from the user. System.in. Okay. Then I will store it inside a var. I will name it as text equal to s1.next line. We use next line method with the from the scanner object in order to get the text. So we get the text from the user by doing this. Now let's create another function here called count. So fun count, and it took into the parameters a string, this the text of type string. Okay, and here we go. And don't miss to call this method count, and we pass the text for it as an argument. Okay, so we get for the data from the user. It will call the function count, and this count will return for us the result of and display for us the result of how many letters, digits, spaces, and other characters in this string. Okay, this function count. Let me start examining this string. I will create the trick here. Just I want from you to concentrate with me. In order to examine the strings in Kotlin, we need to step by step and letter by letter and digit by digit, we need to convert it into character arrays. So we start by creating a character array. So for that, I need to create variable ch equal to text dot to char array. I'm using this function to char array or char array in order to convert the string into a character arrays. Okay, so I will create these variables letter equal to 0, var space equal to 0, var num equal to 0, and var others equal to 0. Okay, these are the counters. Then we start by using the for loop. Since we are dealing with a character array, we need to use the for loops in order to loop through every element, every digit, every letter inside the string, and every character in this string in order to determine if it is a digit or a letter or space or others. So I create here for int I equal to 0, or the var I equal to 0, I less than, oops, I'm missing that, I'm solving them in Java. So for every character inside ch array, so every character in ch array, I need to examine whether this C is a character or a letter. or a digit or a space, and increase the corresponding counters by 1. So if C or character is letter, I'm using the character class, I'm using is letter method inside this class in order to check this character. But if you are using this for loop, you will not get anything because I need to pass a parameter here, which is the value of the index of C. So for that, I'm going to use with index method here from this character array in order to tell Kotlin that, hey, I'm going to pass C, the index of C, okay? It's actually in Java, it's similar to this at index I, okay? But here in Kotlin, we don't have index, we have this for loop. If we use the method with index, we can get the index of character. So if it is true, if it is a letter, increase letter by 1, okay? Else, or else if the character dot is digit, then we need to pass C dot index. Again, I need to check and increase the digit, which is the num, by 1. Okay, so the numbers will be increased by 1 if it is a digit. If it's a letter, it will be increasing the letter count. Else if I am going to check for spaces. So character dot spaces is space character, C dot index. I'm going to check for and increase for the space counter. Else it would be others. So I will be increasing the others variable and others counter by 1. Now let's display the result here. So print outside this loop, print spaces, or let's start by letters, letter, the escaping character. I'm going to next line, letters, spaces, going to next line, numbers, and others, it would be the others variable. Okay, now let's run and see this program. Here we go. We need to display a message here, text array, character array. Oh, okay, so it's waiting our text to be entered. Okay, hello, my friends. Please rate us 5 stars on Udemy to support us and make new videos and courses. Hit enter. It will give me 26 letters, 1 spaces. No, it would be, there is something, letter, increased letter, if there is a letter, number, digits. If I run the numbers, 5 and check again the others. I think I have missed this. I am checking for the index. I'm going to check c dot value at this. So I need to pass the value of character, not the index. Okay, so please guys, accept my apologies. Run the program again, and hello my friends, please rate us 5 stars to push us forward to make new courses. Hit enter. There is 26 letters, spaces 15, numbers 1 and others 1. Others, this comma, numbers is 5. If you count the spaces, it would be 15, and the letters is 62. So congratulations guys, we have solved this problem and this exercise.